110. I'm waiting. Subjects English, Unit 11, Lesson 2. I am your teacher Adil Ahmed, class book page 110. Please bring your box and come on time. Okay, my friends. I think now we should play a game just to allow you to bring your box. Here is we have the idea of a game that we have some dirty clothes. We are going to wash them. Would you like to help me washing these pieces of cloth? Of course, we are going to know colors. We are going to know colors. We are going to know about the different names of clothes. Here also I have a washing machine, and in this machine I have some buttons, green, blue, and red, and every one means a different thing. The red one means here hot water. This is for cold water, and this is of course when it's working, and this is for the power. Okay, my friend, let's play and check. I'm going to give you the instruction. Okay, take the blue sweaters. Where is the blue sweaters? Here is the blue sweater. Okay, turn on the power. We are turning the power. Okay, great. Turn on the power, or of course we are turning the power, and we are working now. Next, take the purple dress. Where is the purple dress? Yeah, here is the purple dress. Choose cold water. Where is cold water? Yeah, great. Turn on the power. We are turning the power. Great. And we are washing now this dress. Next. Take the yellow coat. Where is the yellow coat? Yellow coat. Yeah, this is the yellow coat. Choose hot water. Where is hot water here? I think it's the red button. Yes, press on it. Turn on the power. We are turning the power. Okay, we'll see now. It's working. Next. Take the red t-shirt. Where is the red t-shirt? This is the red t-shirt. Choose hot water. So I have to press the red one. Turn on the power. I'm turning the power. Okay, and of course it's green now, and I'm washing the red t-shirt. Great. The instruction for the following one. Take the skirt. Great, my friend. This is the skirt. Choose cold water. So I have to press, yeah, the blue one. Then turn on the power. Don't forget any of the instructions just to work well. We are washing now the skirt. Great. Next. Take the orange shirt. Where is it? I think it's here. Yes, exactly. Choose cold water. Yes, exactly. And then turn on the power. We are playing, my friends. Okay. And now we are washing this. Take the jeans here. The jeans here. Choose cold water. Yeah. Turn on the power. Yeah. Power button here. And then what are we doing now? We are washing the trousers. Next. Socks here. Take the socks. Press cold water. Turn on the power as usual. Okay? Okay, we are washing the green socks here as you see. Pair of socks as you see here. Okay, take the dress. Where is the dress? Here is the dress, yes. Choose hot water. There is hot water. Turn on the power. Okay, my friends. And I think now we are washing the red dress. Great. Try to revise colors: red, purple, green, blue, green, and so on. Also, clothes like trousers, coat, skirt, shorts, jacket. Where is the jacket here, by the way? I think this is a jacket, yes. Choose hot water, yeah. Turn on the power, yes. It's working now. Next, take the shorts, should be the last slide. Choose cold water, yes. Turn on the power, and we are washing these shorts. Okay, the blue ones here. So my friends, now I think you are ready to help each other, and you knew about, or you have known about the pieces of cloth here, like shorts, coats, dress, skirts, and of course you knew about colors like red, blue, green, white, orange, yellow, purple, and so on. You are ready now to study your box, in your box.